What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Leave Vlog. Today we are going to take out the vet and have some fun. Now, nothing too crazy, but we are going to do some POV action. I guess I really haven't shown you guys, and I haven't really experienced, what this car really sounds like from the outside. So hopefully we get some dope little flybys and all kinds of stuff like that. But we can get some POV action so you guys can really experience what it feels like to be behind a fully straight pipe tuned C7 Corvette. So if you're thinking about doing this, you kind of get an idea of what it sounds like, what it looks like, and yeah. So thanks for joining me. Welcome to a brand new year. It's 2021. Happy New Year to all you guys, all you supporters. Thank you again for getting me to 1,000. Let's keep on growing.
That should bring it.
Alright, I guess I'll start you guys off with a cold start. So, set you up about right there, I guess. That works. Dirty, but it's okay. Hi, Khaleesi. Hello. Bye. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and switch you guys over to the GoPro. Alright, so for whatever reason, the GoPro did not charge, so we're gonna see how far we can get. But this thing's probably gonna die, unfortunately. But I did have it on the charger all last night, so who really knows what happened. Alright, gonna back it up a little bit. Alrighty. Let me see if I can fix this angle a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Alright. So right now we're in touring mode. Took a sip of my coffee. Still waking up, actually, even though it's 1:21. Last night was New Year's, so I kind of stayed up all night, but it's all good. Now it does say the battery's gonna die soon. It's like less than, or it's actually at like 5%. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna try to get a good pull for you guys. Alright, now we're gonna switch it into sport mode. There we go. So as you can see, pretty smooth, nothing too crazy. This is what the car sounds like. We're just cruising around town. Now we are going straight to the back road, so check left, right, all right. Make this as comfortable as I can. Those fucking horses, oh my god. Don't see those every day, just cruising around town, but look at those. Maybe they're donkeys. I think one's a donkey, one's a horse, huh? Yeah. Oh well. We're here for the real horses. Okay. It feels good. Feels good. This is at 90,000 miles on this car. A fresh tune, headers, full exhaust. It runs pretty well. I must say, this engine is meant to last. See if we can find a nice little back road. So let me go ahead and downshift it. Throw you guys into track mode. We'll do a 35 to 90 roll, huh? Let's do that. Let's do that. All right. And we're off. Okay. Maybe a little more than 90, huh? Feels good though. Feels good. All right, so we are gonna try and set this bad boy up right here for a little flyby action. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully it all goes well. Let this car pass. Let's see what we can do, huh? Little seatbelt back on. Trying to get the camera angle just right for you guys. Okay. By action, huh? And we'll go ahead and swing around. This is how it's done, boys. Back road lifestyle. to end this video, I guess I'll just do some revs. I'm out in the middle of nowhere pretty much. Guys, so this is your first time coming through to the channel, go ahead, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, Lee Vlogs out. Happy New Year.
That should bring it.